In this report, I answer the question, where is Dan today? I received an email today that I want to share with you right now. After reading the email, I decided to set up a way that you could find out our present physical location in the world in real time. I will explain how to find our present physical location after I read this email. Hi Dan, finally, after 18 months of work and planning, I've made it. I have sold everything that I owned in the United States, and I arrived near midnight on July 6th in Bangkok, Thailand, and got the 30-day visa-free entry stamp. On the plus side, at 11 p.m. at Bangkok airport, I spent all of 60 seconds in the immigration line and all of 2 minutes after I handed the nice officer my passport, COVID card, and boarding pass. I had my stamped passport and I was done. Thailand could not have made my visa entry any quicker or easier than that. I've spent the last 3 days organizing my life. I have a fabulous hotel review coming for my channel as well. I went to Thai immigration 2 days later and got the standard 30-day extension. So now I'm here in Thailand for 60 days. After a long transit from Dallas, Texas to Bangkok, I'm not in a hurry for another long transit right away. I've booked a hotel near Sukhumvit Road and Soi 18. I have my next flight booked on Malaysia Airlines to Kuala Lumpur, leaving Bangkok at the end of August 2022. I know you're busy, and more likely than not, you're probably not far away, but if someday we are in the same country, I would love to have a beer and some great food. I'm 67 years old, young digital nomad working for an international IT company. I retired in 2004 at age of 49 after owning several different companies from the age of 19. 6 were data-based, some were pre-internet. Then I played professional poker and did the professional poker tour circuit, and then I got bored at the age of 60 and grabbed up a 100% remote IT job in 2015 just for something to do. Now, while in Asia, I will be a digital nomad working remotely on the Toronto time zone schedule. I have team members located in Toronto as well as Eastern Standard Time and Central time zone. I'm committed Monday through Friday, a 4-day work week. I'll be working, or at least available to the company for video meetings and such from 4 p.m. Bangkok time to around 2 a.m. Bangkok time. They pay me too much for too little work. Plus I have friends that I work with. This schedule lets me experience things in the daytime as well. The way you release your videos, it's hard to tell where you may be at any given time. Even though your last 7 videos are from a country you may have already left. You may only be 10 miles away somewhere in Bangkok for all I know. After all, Thailand is such an easy country to enter. I watch all your videos and would love to have a few beverages and some food with you in Chung. I intend to be traveling Southeast Asia for at least the next year or so. I hope we can meet up sometime. I'm somewhat a planner, so I know for the next 4 months I'll be in Thailand, then Malaysia. Thank you. Look forward to meeting you, Mark. Okay, after reading Mark's email, it was left a very positive experience for me. Mark's email shares an incredible story of an amazing life and how his life is likely to get even more interesting. Mark is making dramatic international changes in his life that are likely to be both challenging and life-affirming. This email made me realize that I'm missing the opportunity to sit down and have a face-to-face chat with some of you, very amazing people around the world. So I decided to create a way that 614 of you will be able to find out where is Dan today and send me an email when I will be in your neck of the woods. I have been hesitant to release our present location information publicly. I've wanted to keep a low profile so it'll be easier to protect Chung from any crazy people. I'm sure that 99.9% of you have your heads screwed on right, but I'm not ready to share our location data with my 85,000 YouTube subscribers. But all of you, subscribers or not, should feel free to ask questions in the notes below any of my YouTube videos. Another 8,000 of you have also become subscribers on my free email list. Any of you can jump on my free email list just by grabbing a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 15 plus years. All of you on my free email list can also leave questions in the comments below my videos, or you can reply to the email when I send you the free ebook. But 8,000 people on my free email list still seems like too many people to know my present physical location if I'm trying to protect 𝐶hUNG. So how do I reduce the set of people that have access to real-time information? I have been asking myself this for a few years now. In the past, I decided not to tell anyone, and I never publish a video disclosing where we are until we are gone. But today, after reading Mark's letter, I've decided to share our present physical location with about 614 of you. So how do you know if you're one of my 614 insiders? I just created a webpage on vagabondbuddha.com where it's called Where is Dan Today? On that webpage is a paragraph near the bottom called Our Present Physical Location. We have about 614 paid members of vagabondbuddha.com. If you're one of the 614 people that has a current paid membership to vagabondbuddha.com, you'll have access to that paragraph. If you are curious about membership benefits, watch this video or read this webpage, link provided. You're probably thinking that I have thousands of members of Vagabond Buddha, but that's just not true. Between our paid $9 monthly members and our $99 one-time payment for lifetime members, we only have 614 members. With such a small and intimate set of members of vagabondbuddha.com, it should be a breeze for us to meet you face to face when we are finally in your neck of the woods. We look forward to meeting you in person someday. As you know, we slow travel the world as we please. When we like a place, we stay longer. When we don't like a place, we move along to another place near or far that we think we like more or will like more. That means we don't always know exactly where we will be in the distant future. We often only know where we are now, plus the next few places we intend to go. We are generally not long-range planners. We love the freedom of this lifestyle. But I will share information about our intended path over the next 2 to 3 months that will allow members like Mark to send us an email, something like, "Hi Dan, I see you two are slowly traveling south through Thailand and expect to be in Pattaya over the next few weeks. Let's get together in Pattaya and have a chat." That will give us a better chance to meet up with many of you. In order to read our below present location information, make sure you're logged into your current paid membership at vagabondbuddha.com. If you've lost your password, there's a link there to help you. Okay, thanks for tuning in to Where is Dan Today? This is Dan of Vagabond Awake, the YouTube channel for vagabondbuddha.com. The world is your home. What time will you be home for dinner?
Hey, if you liked our video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Any of that would help our business. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Click the link in the notes below this video to get a copy of this content. Plus, grab a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 13 Years. While you're there, check out our catalog of retired cheap reports all over the world and our hobby income course that we just released. Thanks so much.